We made it to Canada. Here's our beautiful cabin. There's Shanley, Grilled, the dog. We're in a duplex. We're attached with somebody over there. I'm not sure where they are. We haven't met them yet. But we'll give a quick tour of the cabin. And we're about to go get our fishing lessons in a minute. Alright, this is the screened-in porch. There's out front. Okay. Small screened-in porch.
I don't even know so.
Yeah,
Oops, excuse me, babe. Here's the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen.
Quiet time is 11 p.m.
And, oop, better not go in the bathroom. Looks like Marie's in there. Bedroom number 1. This is Neil and Marie's room. And bedroom number 2. This is our room. That's the cabin. Pretty small. It works. Oh, here's the bathroom tour. Sink, toilet, and a mini bath for midgets. Neil's first catch. First catch of the day. Let's get up close here and take a look. You can see there, Neil played dirty. Got him in the back.
He's gonna get off right here. Grab that net once, we'll get him in there.
It's a big freaking northern. Neil needs some help, so I'm gonna grab the net here and all my shit's right in it. I can fall in.
Shit.
He's taking us for a ride here.
Taking us.
He's going on a nice motor. Come on, you fucker. Oops.
Never had such a problem landing a northern before, but I guess when you hook him in the back instead of in the log, it's tough to turn him.
Here. You want me to land him? I want to get it on videotape. I can't believe you caught him like that.
I can't believe he's still on.
That's a big fish, dude.
It's a big northern, right? God, they're tough to land when you're fighting from their ass.
Look at on your way.
Gonna fit in the net. I'll tell you that right now.
Yeah, you will. Well, you gotta use the net. How you gonna land it without using the net? This really can help you. I'm gonna put this camera down. We'll get a picture of him when we get him in the boat. We finally landed our first fish. It only took us about an hour. It's about a 20-pound northern.
So that is one fat hog northern.
That is a nice fish, dude. Ooh, look at that fish.
She didn't look that big in the water.
Look at compared to Dashka. Hold that thing next to Dash. Dashka's a big ass dog. Look at that thing. I couldn't let that sucker out the net.
I bet this thing probably goes more than 20 pounds. Let's find out how long it is here.
Take a measurement here. Have to scoot all my shit out of the way. Earthquake, look out. Alright, get the measuring stick. What's the verdict?
I'm guessing squeeze the tail and we can get 40 inches out of her, maybe even 41.
Hey, nice job. Unconventional catch, but we'll take it every time. Alright, fish number 2. This one's legit. It's a lake trout. And Neil caught this one. Pretty good sized laker. A really pretty fish.
5 pounds, huh? 4 pounds? 5 pounds?
5 pounder. We'll probably keep this one. This one will be dinner. Not sure what the size limit is on them. Or I should say the minimum.
Open the live well and turn that on and we'll put it in there. That way if it's too small, we'll let it go.
Okay.
Okay. Hold that up, will you?
There's the laker. Here, I'll measure it.
Yeah. Where's the... You can do it, we'll let them in the water, huh? 25 and a half.
I'm not sure. Watch, it's 26. Neil caught another fish, that cocksucker. This time he's got
a nice fish too.
He's got a muskie on. That's a dandy. He just brought it up to the boat here. You can see its head. He's kind of bringing it up.
The hooks in good.
He's got the hooks solid.
You know what? We're gonna bring the muskie net out next time because this is 2 fish that are
Too big for the net. All right, I'm gonna try to help him here, and I'll try to videotape at the same time. And that's fucking a dandy.
That's a nice fish, man.
Oh, he's running. He's pissed as hell. Let him go. Just let him go.
It's the head shake that's gonna make me lose him. He's really pissed.
He's not gonna like this net one iota.
Well, let's just play him out. Maybe I'll just hand land him. Shit, dude, he's gonna lose the hook. Fuck, I wish I had my other net.
Here you go.
No, don't hold that, don't hold that, don't hold that. You're gonna cause the pole to break right off if you hold there.
Jesus, that's a big fish. You want me to help you? I'll shut the camera off.
Yeah, why don't you help me get him in?
Alright, we got him. That was a pain in the ass. That guy is huge. That is a thick muskie.
This is why I came to Canada, right here.
Need some help? Want me to get pliers?
Yeah, actually there's one right below me here.
Back up a little bit here.
Come on, buddy. Ain't gonna hurt you if I just let me get this.
We're gonna measure him here in a minute. Neil gets him free. You got the net out of him? Yeah.
How's that look?
There you go.
Pig? Does that look like a pig to you?
That's a nice
Looks like a
muskie.
pig to me. That's a nice fish. That's one fat female fish.
Alright, get the stick on her here. What do we have?
40 and a half. Well, squeeze the tail and we get 41 out of her. So
Step
1
up
inch
to
shy of the
19.
northern, but a little bit fatter.
That's way heavier than the northern was. That's a nice fish.
Let's get back in.
Right.
God, she is just thick.
The head on it.
I know.
It's a big fish. It's gonna be huge.
It's a 20 pounder right there. Maybe a little bit more than 20. She's stiffening up. She's getting ready to go.
Might want to turn her over.
I'm just checking over her keyhole. She's a female. Renal. Oh yeah, boy! We need to get the other net over here, though.
Yeah, we'll bring the big net
We're
next
gonna
time.
throw this one away and just get the bigger net, cause
That was a pain getting that one in there.
yeah, it was a pain getting that last one.
Oh, she's done. She says, "See you guys later."
She didn't look that big either when I first had her on. I think she was all the way out there in the water.
Nice job, Neil.
41 inch muskie and a 42 inch northern. We got them flip flop. I want to put that freaking note here too. You got it?
Shallon, look what you missed. Marie just caught a 3-inch northern.
Not as fat as Neil's.
Nice job, Marie.
Woo!
Yay.
Okay, we get to watch the release.
Hold the tail with the other hand. I'll hold you.
Oop, don't go in the water.
He's all slimy.
Alright, you drop his head in. Let go. Keep going, buddy. I don't want to play with you any longer. I want to catch some more. Where you got the
And off she goes, and everyone got what? Neil and I just came up on a school of about 300 suckers in the water. See how all? It is amazing. Look at them all swim. Woo-wee.
Snagging suckers now. Beautiful bait.
I don't know if you can see him in the camera, but you can just try to zoom in on these babies.
They don't like our bait either.
Nope. Neil managed this neck.
He jumps out of the net.
Muskie number 2. This one's not quite as big as the other one.
Not even close.
He might be 30 inches. He's a baby muskie. We'll come back when he's got him out of the net.
It is Tuesday at, I can't remember what time it is.
On the bottom right corner.
8:30, I think. and I've been out here for a total of 30 minutes, and I got hooked in the ass. So they had to do some quick maneuvering to get that out. Luckily, I had about 4 layers of clothes on, so I didn't get hurt. But there's Neil, and Nick is right there. And I was gonna tape some wounds, but they stopped. Goodbye.
Okay, here we are. I don't know what day it is, Wednesday or something. Marie just got the grossest fish of the trip. She has a northern with a big, yeah, you can't really see it, a big boil on the side of it. It's about the size of a golf ball, or maybe a little bigger, sticking out the side of it. I'll just grab the fish.
I got it. I'm gonna get it without touching it.
Well, you're gonna have to get them, grab them to show the boil anyway. Here, you want the camera? Well, I'm not getting Nick's head right now, but as you can see, we finally got a big smallie. And it is a pig. 19.5 inches. And the camera guy's not doing a very good job. That's okay though. And there he goes. Nice fish, Nick.
Hey,
To
put me on the spot
the
with that.
patient man goes the spoils.
Wait. Show him the
Oh,
map.
we're back. This is what Nick was losing. Not exactly your traditional smallmouth lure. Meps that he found in the water just a little while ago. Let's zoom in and get a picture of that one. Show him the whole thing now.
Whatever works.
Oh, let me zoom in. There it is. That's the killer lure right there. No, it's 18 incher, not as big as Nick's, but really fat, full of spawn, I imagine.
Nice fish.
You got just full of it.
Must be a 3-pounder. 4 pounds.
3.5 maybe. I don't know. Not as big as Nick's. There he goes. Deep. This thing doesn't sink fast enough either. Did it move up? Yeah, I don't think that's it. This is sad. We're recording, and here we are. Camera guy's still working out the kinks here. It's a little bumpy. Nick's got a 34?
Yeah, about.
33.5, 34 inch northern. And we'll get a release. Probably won't even be able to see him in this dark water. But Nick's called it as a hammer handle. Little snake northern, he said. No, just grab him and roll him. It's a rough release.
It's floating away. Here.
Run that camera.
I'm all soaked.
There he goes.
The biggest catch of the year, probably, for him. Got a 50-pound snapping turtle. Oh, he broke loose. We got him about a paw. Excuse me, Ray.
I had him hooked Eagle before, but now he's legitimately hooked, so we gotta let him go. Here, stick something in the water, see if he bites it. Like, stick the net in there. Not the pole.
No, not the fishing pole, the length pole.
Oh yeah, you can throw that in there.
Big snapper. He's looking at me. He's pissed.
You can't shake him off.
Putting up a fight. He's putting up a fight. He'll snap at that. He'll break that off. I wouldn't stick that in there.
Stick the butt under the
Can I try to knock it loose?
handle of the net in there.
Jesus Christ, buddy. Relax. Oh!
Should I try
Break
to knock
on.
it loose?
No, I'm trying not. No, hon. No.
What do you want me to do?
Here, videotape. I got it.
I think there's claws in that fucker. You ain't gonna be able to knock it loose, hang on.
On the other side of
It's
the
gotta
net.
take pressure off. It's not even to the barb, but I can't get it to.
Just barely on there.
I know, but I can't get it
Here it is. If I can push
Yeah.
it back. Oh, keep it tight.
If I keep it tight, you won't be able to knock it out.
Yeah, but
There's-
just wait, keep it tight till I get this hooked in here. There you go. Oh, yeah.
He's getting ready to snap, so you better.
Yeah, well, he's gonna snap this metal thing. I'll fucking do it.
Here, put it in front of him once, see if he snaps it. He's all played out. Hang on. I'll get him with the pliers.
Don't let him bite you.
Oh, he's biting himself.
I'll keep his head free. He's gonna go after that thing.
Pissed now.
Here, I'll try to keep his head pinned.
Hang on.
You're right. I don't have pliers. Here, pliers. I'll stick my hand there.
Give me that long pliers. There's a set of long pliers. No, really long pliers.
How do I stop him?
Just hit the power. There you go, son.
Tiger, I don't think.
Neil just caught another muskie, that son of a bitch. This is a really cool one, actually.
Looks like it's got green stripes on it.
Either a tiger, is it a tiger muskie or is it a barred?
I think it's barred.
Oh, he's pissed. He's really pissed.
It's because he doesn't fit in the net. He's like, if you're gonna fish for me, use a bigger net, you fuckers.
We're back in Deer Creek right now. As you can see, we went up, I don't know, maybe a quarter of a mile back into the creek. Here's Squirrel Lake. There's a ton of little muskie, or a ton of little northern and muskie back here. I was recording that whole time. Oops. Yeah, I've concluded that big net does us no good.
Especially goes 29.
Are you gonna?
Sure, take a picture for us. Right in the nuts.
Hey, good call.
Oh, he's ready.
He ain't waiting around. Nice job, Neil. You asshole. Neil just caught a 30-incher with, hold on a second, Neil. Show that back in. With a huge bite out of it. Something big's lurking back here. That is one messed up northern. How big it is.
31.
And he's pretty healthy. Wow,
Half of his body gone.
that was a big northern.
Is it that?
Marie just caught a
33.
33-incher. Nice
Get
job,
over here,
Marie.
Shallon.
Alright, you can put it back. I'll get the release.
Grab his tail. Grab his
Grab
tail.
his tail. Drop
Tail
his
first, or-
No.
How do you ever get a hold of it?
squeeze. Drop his head in.
Almost pinch.
Drop his head in. Now hold on to his tail.
Oh, shit! I can't get
Ah, he'll be alright. Tap him a couple times. He'll get going.
That's a nice fish.
Come here, buddy.
Yeah, watch yourself. Oh, he's off.
You got cut.
See the battle. Let's see the battle wound.
I got a hook in me.
Ooh. Shallon, see that?
Did you see him come out the other side?
No, I didn't. It's too dark.
There he is, right there. That's a nice northern, honey. We're gonna be taking off. He's going back. He's gonna be like, oh shit. Like, damn, I got a sore lip now. Can you get him on there?
Yeah, I can see him perfect.
You don't look as big anymore over there, does he?
Neil was muskie number 4.
He got smaller.
It's a cool tiger muskie though. Look at the color on it.
Oh shit!
Little white fish. Where's got it?
In the water?
Mm-hmm.
Look at the colors. That is a cool looking fish.
Damn.
He said, I'm out of here.
Go.
And he makes an exit. Rozzy, the super dog. Off the dog.
What the hell's his deal? Yesterday you had to throw him off.
He's used to it. I told you, throwing it off is good for him. Yep. See, we gave up fishing and we're
And it's just beautiful out. We're standing here on the dock.
we're throwing the dog sticks. You know, we're bored. All right, look at there's Rozzy in the water. This is Canada. Here's a resort. I guess I never did get a picture from out here. I might as well. While we're sitting here.
Yeah, good looking cabins over there. They're not the ugly yellow.
There's our cabin, truck.
Look, Roz.
There's some more cabins, and there's one up on top of the hill there, and that's the end of our resort. And as you can see, there's not much else in the bay here. It's a beautiful bay though.
Okay.
Super dog! I don't know, he probably got 10 feet. Alright, Neil and I have been drinking way too much beer for recording the dog jumping off the dock.
Rosie.
Yep.
Hey, dumbass.
And we just got out here today and it's a pretty nice day. Holy shit!
Okay, rewind. Do it over. You're holy shit. There's one right there, Nick. Right beside it.
Neil just,
Right beside it.
Neil just caught, they're schooling up. Oh yeah, they're coming up. Throw it in the water.
Give me something to throw in there.
Hurry up, Marie, throw that thing in the water. Here, set the hook on it. We're in a school of smallies.
Honey.
And Marie, oh, they took it. I think they got it.
The hook, hon.
Nope, I lied.
In there.
I saw it disappear into the dark. A little deeper. It's in my
I
shadow.
can't see anything down there.
Keep dropping it, keep dropping it. Keep dropping it. I lost it. Does it fish have it?
I don't know if you can see anything.
Can I bring that one in, Neil?
Yeah, I suppose. Probably about played out.
Hey, there's another smallie.
8.5 again.
I was guessing 16 inches. That's probably not 16.
Yeah.
Marie just caught a 15-inch smallie, her first smallmouth.
You're missing out, Jalen.
Alright, now we get to film the release again.
Throw it.
And it'll flop away.
I can't. I don't know.
There we go.
I was like, why is it playing? Why is this not showing anything? Here we are fishing for smallies. Neil's got a fish on, looks like a muskie.
Get him now. Get him now. Get him now. Yes! Get him in there! Oh, Nick!
We got this tiny little net.
Oh my god. Set him down.
Guy just said, fuck it, I'm pulling the net in.
Oh my god.
Nice fish. Little tiny net doesn't fit in there.
That's a pretty fish. You got a small head and a huge body.
We'll get back to you in a couple minutes when we get it untangled.
We're getting a little bigger again.
Muskie 5, huh?
Turn it this way a little bit, babe.
Roll it, yeah, there you go.
Roll the bottom under a little bit.
Which way?
Like turn the bottom of the fish towards you.
That's a pretty looking muskie.
It's a little crooked, but
We'll take one more, then we got some film to use up anyway. You want it like this?
yeah.
Alright. Because I get to go 36.
That's fat.
What's up there?
35?
Well, you squeeze his tail and you get another inch. Well, 35 and a half, probably. 35 and a half incher. It's a nice fish. Good fight too with that pole.
Barely got him the boat.
Oh my god, I still can't believe you got him in like that. I'm like, yeah, he's in that. Also, I'm like, oh no, he's not. Nick's like, whoop.
Thank God, I was pulled in. He's in there.
There's number 5.
One a day for
One a
this
day.
dirty scoundrel.
I told you I thought he was a muskie with his head shakes too. He was shaking a lot. Just pounding. There he goes. Off to fight again.
Into the deep.
Holy crap, that's a big boulder, dude. Look at this rock. All by itself.
Yep. You're at Brownstone Falls. Copper Falls State Park. a beautiful day right now.
What is it, July 26th,
Yep.
2002?
And we're taking a walk here along the path. And there's a couple more falls to come yet today. I don't get those on the camera. This is brownstone. Supposedly it's only 30 feet. That's a lot taller than 30 feet to me, but that's what the sign says. We are now standing directly over the Bad River. And as you can see, the color
Really copper.
is very dark. Brownstone Falls is just up around this bend. There's a nice chunk of conglomerate rock sticking here. See the river flows around it. Should be an awesome trout stream, I bet. And there's the rest of the Bad River. Very beautiful.
So where did you see that? Is that weird to see that flowing this way?
Right now we are standing on top of Brownstone Falls. The other falls we're looking at, you can see it goes down 30 feet. And this is called Tyler Fork. You can see the two rivers here, the Bad River and I don't know the name of the other river, meet together here at Tyler Fork. They're both flowing into that fork. Pretty cool. Once again, we're standing at the corner of Brownstone and whatever the name of the river is, the Tyler Fork. We are now looking at Copper Falls. See, it must have been a big flood recently. They brought the trees down, stuck in here. This is under construction, so you can see we're standing at a barricade. There used to be a bridge between this gap and over here. Get a better look at the flows, but since it's under construction, this is all we get to see.
Now Rozzy can join us. Dogs are allowed on the Red Granite Falls Trail. And you can see that he's very excited. He doesn't have to be in the car. And Nick and Rozzy are... He's even off leash. We're breaking the rules, but don't tell anybody. He's very, very excited. Bye-bye. We've started in on the trail, and you can see Rozzy's waiting for us. Razu! You can't figure out what this is in my hand. There's my cute husband, Australia man. Here we go. We are now at Red Granite Falls. Rozzy wants to jump in, but needless to say, we're not going to let him jump in here. Look at him, he wants to get in so bad. We put him on leash because I'm afraid he will leap in. Look at that cool color. Nick, move! Honey! He's about to jump in. What is that? I don't like this idea. Oh, Nick! Needless to say, Rozzy survived. And now Nick is letting him in the water a little bit here. We're gonna try to go upriver a little bit more so that he can actually swim. This is too close to the falls. I had a little bit of a heart attack there. Rosie, here. Good boy.